Good evening. It is Wednesday, the 31st of December, 2014. It is not quite the new year. And look what I have here. It is a box from Amazon.com. What could possibly be in this box, you may ask? Why, if I simply open up the... It's easy to... Oh. This is the very first copy, I think, purchased of Kimbrick Early Smith's The Janus Paradox. This is the new cool edition made available now worldwide through Amazon.com of Kimbrick Early Smith's The Janus Paradox, and I have the first copy. I think that makes me pretty doggone cool for this 2014. The rest of the world has to wait to 2015, which will be in about 50 minutes. That's okay. Get your copy, and you can proudly post that you've got the number 2, 3, etc. But I've got the number 1. Husband privileges, I think. And also fasten the buy button. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to reading it one more time. Happy New Year.